We're being asked to simplify algebraic fractions here, and what you cannot do is start just crossing off x squared. That is complete nonsense. You can cancel things out when they're being multiplied. So if you had a b over, I don't know, ax, yes, you can cancel out the a's to leave you bx. But if you had a plus b over a plus x, then sorry, that is as simple as it gets. So we need to basically try and be multiplying things together to be able to simplify this, and that leads to the idea of factorizing. Because when you factorize, you put things into single brackets or double brackets and so on. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm not really a big fan of this 2x squared minus 50, so I'm going to take the 2 out to leave me x squared minus 25. So I've partially factorized. I've not actually finished this because I will need to factorize x squared minus 25 in a minute. But this is just my first step, and then I'm going to try and factorize the bottom. Two numbers that multiply to give 10 and add to give 7, that's 5 and 2, so it's going to be x plus 2, x plus 5. It still doesn't cancel out, there's no common factor on both. What I need to recognize that this is actually a difference of two squares. It gives me x plus 5 and x minus 5. It helps if you can just recognize that really quickly. A squared minus b squared is a plus b, a minus b. In this case, it's actually x squared minus 5 squared. I can use it in the same way. X plus 5, x minus 5. I've written that here. If you're not so sure about that, then you can write it as x squared plus 0x minus 25 and find two things that multiply to give minus 25 and add to give 0. They're going to have to be the same thing, so it's got to be plus and minus 5. We're still dividing by x plus 2, x plus 5, and here we are, here we go. We're basically there because now I can cancel out this x plus 5 with this x plus 5, and I've got my answer. 2 x minus 5 over x plus 2.